In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change file name in WPS Office Mobile. Renaming files may seem like a small task, but it plays a big role in keeping your documents organized and easy to find, especially when you are working on multiple files using your phone. With WPS Office Mobile, changing a file name is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. Before getting started, make sure you are on the main file list or home screen of the WPS Office mobile app, where all your documents are displayed. This is the area where you can see your saved files, recent documents, and folders. Take a moment to locate the file that you want to rename so you do not accidentally edit the wrong one. Once you find the correct file, look to the right side of its name. You will see an icon with 3 dots. This icon opens additional options related to that specific file. Tap on those 3 dots to bring up the File menu. This menu contains several actions you can perform, such as sharing, moving, or deleting the file. After the menu opens, scroll down until you see the Rename option. Tap on Rename and a text box will appear on your screen showing the current file name. This is where you can make your changes. Carefully type the new name you want to use. Try to choose a name that clearly describes the content of the document so it will be easier to recognize later. When you are done typing the new file name, double-check it for spelling and clarity. Once you are satisfied, tap the OK button to confirm the change. As soon as you do this, the file name will update instantly. There is no need to refresh the app or reopen the document since the change takes effect right away. Renaming your files regularly can help you stay organized, especially if you download documents, create drafts, or work on different versions of the same file. Using clear and meaningful names makes it easier to manage your documents and saves time when searching for them later. That's all there is to changing a file name in WPS Office Mobile. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how efficiently you work with your files. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.